when it comes to coding, I'm in some sort of AI environment there. And uh and depending of whether we've already planned things out or everything, I'll obviously start with pre.dev first, start to feed that in and just go to town. Um, and then when it comes to like, and then there's a then huge chunk of the day that I don't automate out is also just like being on calls with clients, new and old, dev agencies and founders, just, either doing sales or like feedback sessions, right? Just understanding, either trying to sell the product or improve it. And so that's a huge chunk of the day. And then yeah, the time spent on the phone with you, just like thinking about next steps and new approaches and okay, what's what do we need to do next? And then yeah, and then obviously a bunch of other, and then day to day as a founder, like things come up all the time. And so, yeah, whether that's, hosting an event or some call with a potential partnership or just like other random things like coming up with like a blog post or an ad that I'm like, oh wait, I want to try this out. So yeah, I think there's a mixture of like manual experimentation of a bunch of things. But yeah, so it really does vary day to day. And every once in a while, you and I have like our kind of coding sprints where we're like, yo, Adam, can you just handle sales for the next week? I just need to just dive in and get this feature done or vice versa. Which is great to then have like a multi-faceted co-founder that you can just like rely on just being able to like handle handle things no matter
Yeah.
what.
That's one
Um
thing like we both can do the business side,
yeah,
both can do
yeah,
engineering and coding
yeah,
as well. So it's like
yeah.
we
It's like
we like
yeah,
intermix. Like one week, maybe, you're like, take the
yeah,
reins
yeah,
on sales and marketing this week.
yeah,
And like
yeah, yeah,
I'm gonna do coding, or I'm gonna be like, yo, like I'm going on this coding sprint.